For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung S25 Ultra is the device I'm using, and I have One UI 8 Beta 3 as my operating system. Operating system is actually Android 16, but the overlay is the newer Samsung One UI 8 Beta 3. And what it is, it's a feature that's really neat. It actually, I didn't even know. I did a video here a couple days ago on the updating of this, of One UI 8 Beta 3, and I had no idea that this feature was in here, and probably wouldn't have, except a friend I have, was his birthday today, and it's the ability to make birthday cards, which I think is like brilliant. So obviously you have to have them in your contacts, and you have to have their birthday in. I really don't want to go to the card, but it has a section in there on the birthday. Well, I'll just block it out, what the heck. So we're just going to go scroll down, and I'm just going to block all these out so it doesn't matter. And here's his name, Jimmy M. And right here is birthday. And it was today, yeah, the 3rd. So I actually got that there, and this could be another quick video I could make. I text him, happy birthday. In the text app, it asked me if I wanted to insert his birthday in his contact card. So that was a neat feature as well. I could make a video on that later on, but anyway, that's how that got in there. I don't memorize birthdays. I most of the time don't even write them down, but it put it in there. So I thought, okay, cool. I'll have his birthday the next time I'll know. And this popped up. So I have the evening brief right down here in the bottom right corner. So you go to evening brief, and this tells you set this up to what you want. So like weather, my activity, which is about nothing. I haven't been up to anything today. And then I got this. Let them know that you're thinking of them. Jimmy M's birthday. So we can create a card, and you have 6 AI options at the bottom: illustration, watercolor, sketch, 3D cartoon, pop art, or oil painting. How about a watercolor? And then we'll say chocolate cake with, I don't know, 5 candles, right from Roger, which is my name. So we'll hit done, and then we'll hit generate, and it's generating in the background exactly what you just told it to do, except I don't see the, oops, I don't see the writing on there. What did I do? 5 candles. Maybe it's because I put a period there. And right from me, period. So let's generate one more. The AI stuff is just incredible, and Samsung just took it. There we go. Oh, right and right from Roger. Well, anyway, you get the point. I put right and right. I'm not going to quit till I get this right, because this will bother me. Right from Roger. Plus, this has given me some practice on how to do this, because I haven't done but just one. So there you go. So there we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, chocolate cake from me, and these were my other examples. So then, of course, at the top, you have the options of sharing, downloading. I don't know what that is. Okay, make a sticker. Wow. So you can use stickers, like in your text message. So I can text a message with that as a sticker even. So it's really neat. The options and what they're doing now with AI, like I just said, is really off the charts. It's going beyond what I normally thought would happen. So you can keep up on all your birthdays. I know I have a friend that has an app that keeps up with all their birthdays. So there goes that app. And cards that most normal people spend $10 on a little cardboard card, there goes those. You don't need those anymore. I mean, they're still people are gonna want those kind of things, but I thought this was pretty cool. So anyway, this is how to make a birthday card through your NowBrief. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.